Hey YouTube, this is just a very short video to help listeners avoid the frustration I experienced when trying to reconnect a Google Nest Mini Generation 2 to our home network. Be advised that this is only my own personal experience, I am not a technical expert, and only proceed at your own risk. Following the renaming of our home network, every device came back online and worked with our home Wi-Fi, except for two of these Nest Minis. After many Google searches and looking through YouTube videos, the only advice I could find was to place the Google Mini closer to the router. I tried that with both devices and it didn't work. I uninstalled and reinstalled Google Home several times, but this didn't help. I then called my internet service provider to see if there was an issue on their end. Yet again, I was unable to find a solution. Finally, after calling Google directly, yes, they do have a customer service line, I was advised that these devices need to be reset to factory default after any network change, or if there is any ongoing problem that cannot be resolved. I just followed these simple steps to return our Google Nest Minis back to their factory default settings, and they reconnected without issue. Unplug the device for 20 seconds. Turn off the microphone by sliding the button. It is located on the side of the device. It will show a red background when it is off. Plug the device back in. Place and hold your finger on the center of the device for approximately 10 seconds, until the device confirms it is about to reset to factory defaults.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Confirm reset to factory settings by keeping your finger held in place.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
Reconnect to your Wi-Fi through the Google Home app on your mobile phone. That's it, and it should take no more than a few minutes to get these back online.